tua ma le au nanga le mo tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik Pak Olusa? Awalnya telepon, matu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua tapi lah ucapan lepas out. Mua tapi lah telepon ni time out ina lah ucapan. Malah bayang mulu. Mana tua fu? Matua I fasa ina lo tau maktapa ai no fuanga papeni. Mata Samoa. Ore mata mo Samoa. Mata te fia au na pe mo o Samoa. Aftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
Ole si tulanga pitusili ole tau. Ole la fo me ole pe patala olo. Ona fa ngale fa tau o lo e nga mo ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ele sa suma fua tau ele sia sa.
Ni fia foi sa we mo mawina ni foi au nang fo ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana fa tau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher. Ua mau ele apusu se o fine. So se paro loa fa ngo fie. A me se le te wa I mala telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo la fo me le cash. Ona ino le tama ore ainga.
Fa te tu la vale tal for voucher mo le foi au nang fo fa tai. Ma lo la le tsam pai.
Pa tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
And a warm Pacific greetings to all of our viewers today. Talofa Claudia, how are you today?
I am good, and this is just an excellent example that great minds think alike because we're both in red.
Ladies in red. Look, it's been a beautiful day outside, and I know that we are still here in Auckland, lockdown level 4. Let's go. That's all I have to say. I'm staying well. As you all know, I have just come out of hospital with my baby girl, but I do want to again say a massive thank you to our frontline workers who are making sure that while we are enjoying our lockdown, that you are all out there making sure that we get the supplies that we need, that we still get the care that we require. So a massive shout out to you all. It's, we really, really appreciate it. But today is a very interesting day, isn't it?
It is. But I just want to say as well that
it is, like Bill was saying, it's very, very important for us to help our frontline workers and stay at home and stay in our bubble. The number of contacts of COVID-19 has increased to over 20,000 people, and about 12,700 of them have been contacted. So that's only 62% have been contacted. So if you are showing symptoms, please go get tested. Otherwise, stay at home, stay in your bubble. No mingling around, no having parties, underground parties, none of that.
I know. I mean, look, there was an interesting live that went, that we streamed, that a few girls streamed a couple of nights ago, which included the beautiful Rachel Stowers and also Jules. And, you know, this is what it's all about, you know, finding ways and solutions to connect with our people. And if you find that yourself wanting to leave the bubble, then hit the live button and just connect with everyone. Did you know that you can just add everyone into that live, and then you can just talk just like you would normally when you're not on lockdown level 4? Do you have any solutions?
Do I have any solutions? Not on the top of my head right now, but I do know that today we have a Bluwave cook-off.
It's been crazy, and I love the way that the team have come together to make sure that they continue to support our community by staying indoors. And what other way to get creative is then in the kitchen, right?
Yes, and I do like and appreciate Fala tuning in and commenting, saying, looking forward to some burnt food. Good luck, everyone. Is that a direct point to you, Pea, and your cooking skills?
I'm not too sure. I don't know what he's talking about. I cook boiled water very well, actually. The temperature is just right.
Now,
look, I can see Jules has just tuned in as well. So a massive shout out to Jules, and a massive shout out to the brother Jive as well, who we hopefully in the future can get on board so that he can talk about his work while on lockdown level 4. So a shout out to everyone that have tuned in as well. But since we are talking a little bit about the Bluwave cook-off that's coming next, let's talk a little bit about the top restaurants in Samoa, because of the cook-off, I thought, well, you know what? I want to know what the top locations are in Samoa. So if you haven't already, go and check out Samoa Tourism Authority and find out ways on how you can inject back that same love back to the islands of Samoa. First off, is Paddle's restaurant, and I've been there before, and the food is absolutely to die for. It's mouth-watering, and I love it. You've got Amanaki Restaurant, who's up in the top 10. You've got Coco, Banana Bar and Grill. You've got the Edge Marina, which in fact is one of my favorites, because it's the first time I've ever had oka ever, and I was 23 years old. So a massive shout out.
You like seafood, do you?
No, I don't eat seafood, but that's the only place in Samoa that I will enjoy the delicious oka of the Edge Marina. Also up in the mix is Georgie's Pizza. Of course, you cannot go wrong with Georgie's Pizza. And of course, Lupe's Cocktail Bar and Restaurant. So a massive shout out to these locations. And once the borders are open, you already know that we'll be checking out these awesome restaurants. And I hope that the Bluwave team have been able to provide the same quality that the island of Samoa have when we visit Samoa, right?
Oh, yes. Now, before we show the amazing entries from our team, we do have some photos from Samoan Tourism Authority to get us into the mood of the beautiful food that you can expect in Samoa. So producer Lemo is going to put the photos up, but I was daydreaming as I was looking at these photos, because it just looks so delicious and everyone's so happy. And everyone's on an island having the time of their lives. I'm just like, oh.
I know. And look, if you are looking for ways to inject that alofa back to Samoa, you already know that you can do so with the beautiful Miss Samoa of Pacific 40. The vouchers are available online, so there's no need to stand in line. It's all handy for you online. So Pacific 40 are one of our awesome sponsors who continue to show the love and support. Head over there now and you can send that same alofa back to Samoa. But let's check out those photos because I'm already drooling.
I'm so hungry, Bear. I love Hannah's comment. 5-star boiled water. Would you give your boiled water a rating of 5 stars, Bear? Paula, if you're watching, what would you rate Bear's boiled water?
Hey, look, did you know that you can actually burn water? Did you know that? You can.
Can you?
Yeah, you can. If you leave it on the stove for long enough, it just eventually evaporates and it just burns. It burns the pot.
See, I don't know.
Over food in there.
See, I don't know if that's burning water. I think that's just called evaporation. Right. People that are watching, am I right?
It takes a certain skill, okay? It takes a certain skill to be able to cook boiling water. That's all I have to say.
Now, guys, after these photos, we are going to go into a very, very short break. And when we come back, we are going to be showing all the entries from the amazing team at Bluwave. So yeah, the very first Bluwave cook-off. Who will take the crown, guys? Make sure you guys are commenting and liking as we show every video. It's going to be great. Oh, Fala said water or vodka, asking for a friend.
Look,
there a little bit too much here.
I know. While we wait for the photos to come through, I have been going through our team and I've been looking up some of the top dishes in the Pacifica community. Bangi popo is one of them. It is a dessert, and of course, we cannot go wrong with bangi popo. We've got the Fijian fish curry, and I cannot wait for Sarah to be able to hook us up with that Fijian fish curry. Otai is a very popular Tongan drink, and I hear that it's probably like #1 on a hot summer day, and that's the go-to. And we've got oka. It's everyone's favorite, and I cannot wait. I don't think anyone put in a oka dish today, did they?
No, I don't think they did.
They didn't submit it.
Interesting. No. Okay. But we are going to go into a break now, guys. Don't go anywhere because we've got all the entries after the break.
Right after this. Stay tuned, guys.
Tau tua ma le au nanga mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau teu tuina lo ta vale, ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foile, ma tau te sea ke ina fo i lau ta vale. Sa Palagi Boi suau mo lau tapan. A fai foi o vai pa o sa. A wala te poli ma tu te sa Palagi Boi e mo lau tapan. Mo lau no posila fia. Mua ta pe lau ta vale pe out. Lua ta pe lau telefoni i tai me utu ina lau ta vale. Ma le vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua i whasaina lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Ota Samoa, ore ma ota mo Samoa. Ma do te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
$10 voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe. And my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo mea o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au nga fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Le wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. Ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apasusi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie. A me se le te whelua i mana o telefoni. Tai mi uma. Ai lo le lafo me le cash o na inu e leo tamao le ainga.
Whaftea tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au nga fo whaftai. Ma lua lava le taumwhai.
Tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
Bluwave cook-off. Who will take the crown? And while we're on the break, Pea did bring her very new-looking pot that looks like it hasn't been used.
Look, I'm just smelling the boiled water right now, and I think that temperature is just right. And look, I just let it simmer for a little bit, just while we enjoy that that aroma of fresh boiled water. So good.
You can sell water to Eskimos, Pea. I love you so much. But before we head into the entries, comment, like as much as you can during this video. Once the show ends, I will be posting all the entries onto the Blue TV Facebook page. Now, you have to go and like the person's entry that you like the most. The winner is going to be announced tomorrow, and whoever gets the most likes on their video is going to win and take the crown as the Bluwave Cook-Off champion. So, guys, after the show, like I said, I'm going to be posting all the entries onto Blue TV Facebook page. Whoever gets the most likes will take the crown tomorrow. So remember to like, share. I was going to say subscribe, but you can't subscribe because we don't have a cooking page yet. But shall we watch the very first entry, Pea? Are you ready?
Yeah, let's watch the first entry. But while you are all watching, if you are cooking a storm at home, whether you're in Samoa, Australia, New Zealand, wherever you are in the world, if you have an entry and you've got an interesting dish, send them through because we will love to post them up next week. I can see Jules there commenting, so send them through, man. If you've got something to say about my boiled water, then I've got something to say about your cooking, your cooking style. Send them through. But I can't wait. I'm excited to see what the Bluwave team have been up to.
I'm so excited. Okay, guys, first up, we have Rosary with her entry called Remix Mania.
Here we go.
Damn, Rosary.
That remix though, get it, girl. I love it.
Woo! That is a very, very strong contender right there. I don't know how the rest of the team is gonna hold their ground, but next up we have our intern Caitlin with Cocolicious brownies.
Cocolicious brownie, here we go.
Que están bien buenos, que están bien, que están bien.
Brownies, 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 brownies.
Oh, wow. What a way to sweeten up level 4 lockdown. We love it. And we love that you're in your bubble doing this, girl.
It's so good. You know, I only wish that we could also taste these dishes because they look so yum.
But I love that they are following the rules and the guidelines set by our government. So thank you so much, Caitlin, for submitting that through. That looks delicious.
Yes, and next up we have Pale with always heat the milk. Love the name.
Oh, wow. The graphics on that is, wow, on point. You can guarantee that if you need any advertising, that you will be able to do so with Bluwave. I cannot believe that he did that, but that's not cooking.
No, and Bear, you know, we have a lot of comments saying next, if it here, but it's not cooking. Fala said Fala is the winner, but is it cooking? That is up to you guys to decide.
I definitely think that Bale, with that video quality and how he executed that, is Bluwave quality. But otherwise, food-wise,
We're getting very serious here on Pea and Claudia's BluTable podcast. But next up, we have Sarah with her Fijian chop suey and cassava made with love.
Made with love. That's the best.
You won't get undercounting 'cause you're never free. You got a new horizon, it's a ephemeral star. Melancholy town where we never smile. And all I wanna hear is the message beat. My dreams, they gotta kiss me 'cause I don't get sleep, no. Windmill for the land, forever hand in hand. Take it all out on your stride. It is taking falling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land. It's everybody in.
Laughing gas, these hazmat, fast cat, lining them up like ass cracks. Ladies, ponies at the track.
Daisy, you are right. That is Hannah. My apologies. That was Hannah's entry with Sweet Shrimp Sensation. I'm sorry, I just got so distracted by all the food. But I gotta say, so far, Hannah, 10 out of 10 with all your veggies. 5, is it 5 a day? Yeah, 5 a day
5
veggies.
plus a day, yes.
Balanced meal, man. And it looks good.
Love it.
10 out of 10.
You know what's interesting about our crew is that occasionally, you know, I found them at the bakery, and you can see that they're so talented with cooking up these healthy meals, and that takes us back to that healthy challenge that we have been trying to push our team to do. So, well done, Sam. At least we know that you can cook. So bring your food when the lockdown is over.
Yes. Now everyone has to recook their dishes when lockdown is over, so we can do a taste test.
Yes,
that'll be
for
cool.
sure. Who's next, Claudia?
Now, next we actually do have Sarah. I'm so sorry. So the entry we just showed is Hannah's sweet shrimp sensation, and coming up next we have Sarah's Fijian chop suey with cassava made with love.
It's the best.
Sarah.
Sarah.
She's really like bringing out all the stop signs. Man, that was an amazing dish.
I know, right?
And she even has someone eating her food, so we know it's eatable.
Well done, Fiji. I love it. We are going all around the Pacific with these dishes, and oh wow, Fiji, you really pulled one over us, didn't you?
Yes, she even has the big boss Martin saying Sarah wins.
Yeah.
Damn, Sarah.
Like quickly before we go into our next entry, a massive whawhitai lover to, again, our awesome sponsors. And if you are watching and you're thinking how you can help Samoa with these beautiful dishes, you can do that with Pacific 40. Send a vouchers to Samoa. Also, if you're driving around in Samoa and thinking, where do I go to gas up? You already know Maota or Samoa is the perfect place. Just drive in, see the friendly faces, and drive up. That's all. Seki Works, the Pacific Business Hub, for all of your COVID updates and business updates. And again, a massive shout out to Se Oriana as well. But whatalo whatuia, Eda Laura, thank you so much for tuning in as well.
And the lofa to Nemia as well. She is saying hello from New York.
Oh, hello,
New York.
No, Nemia is in a special New
Oh,
York.
it's one of those special New Yorks. Is it Southside New York? Mangere, New York.
Yes, Wellington, Porewa, New York. Nemia, thank you so much for tuning in, brother.
Awesome. Now next we have Ryan with his spagbo and pai fala for a hungry Niuean Samoa fella. I love the name. That's a 10 out of 10 name for me.
Let's have a look. Oh, wow.
Ryan.
Ryan,
They're all handmade as well.
that's awesome.
You know what? Wow, man. Do you know what? I kind of wish I hadn't submitted an entry like you there because, no.
Hey, look, what are you on about? This is my entry. It's still simmering, the water.
Okay, I feel like mine might be.
It's called vai o le alofa. O le kalanga, o le vai o le alofa. That's what I'm cooking up today, boiled water.
Man, just like Hannah said, this challenge is hard, and you guys are going to have a very hard decision deciding who wins and takes the crown for the Bluwave cook-off. Up next is an entry from myself that I kind of regret submitting now. It was my first time ever cooking this, it was very hard, but I've called it the not enough soy sauce / it tastes better than it looks sapasui. So
Sapasui. Wipe you up, girl. I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, Claudia!
I ran out of soy sauce.
Perfect wife. Get it,
I
girl.
promise that it tastes better than it looks. I promise.
That looks good. Well done. And look, if you've just tuned in, Nehemiah, I know that Wellington are cooking up a storm right now, and I've seen some of your lives, Nehemiah. So if I'm going to love it, Nehemiah, send me go entries for next week. You never know if Fiki Ale lucky next week. And then we will put you in the next cook-off for next week, right?
I was going to say, Mele, I love your support. She's commented saying Claudia Sanchez for the win. So thank you so much for the support.
And look, just quickly before we go into, do we have another entry?
We do have one more entry, and it's a very strong contender as well, I must say.
Yeah. Look, quickly, a massive Tina, and also to G and Rosie, to everyone that's tuning in. We love that you guys are sending in all your love and support, but don't forget that straight after this that we will be posting it up on our Blue TV. You need to hit like for the person that you want to win and take the crown.
And I just want to say, Flora, thank you so much. She say I'm super proud of my effort. So thank you so much. And I think this is going to be my favorite comment on today's show, Bear. Rosary said, well done, Claudia. That looks good. Bear can't cook sapasui.
No, I can't. But don't forget, straight after this, we have our Palagi Boi who knows exactly how to cook sapasui in Hawaii, who will be taking us around for a stroll. So stay tuned, guys. If you want to look at Paradise today, we're heading over to Hawaii straight after our cook-off.
Yes. So now we do have the last entry. But like I say, she is a very, very strong contender. So be ready to have your minds blown. The next entry is from the beautiful Daisy and her dish, Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. I love the name. Damn, Daisy. I agree with you, Flora. She really is out here flexing, and I'm sure there's going to be a lot of men messaging and trying to slide into her DMs because that girl can cook.
Damn, not only is she talented graphics designer, photographer, videographer, and she's a cook too. Man, wife you up, baby girl.
Rosie said hidden talent. And our big boss Martin said, now I know that most of the team can edit. You guys are editing when we get back into the office. So there we go.
Oh, well, I wonder why you didn't put an entry in, Bill.
Exactly. But guys, we do have one last entry, one last minute entry, and it's called last minute 2-minute noodles with producer Lemo.
Let's go.
I'm so excited for this one.
Same.
Shout out now, the one for me. Feel love by my side, the world will be mine, the one for me. With this new life I found, takes my feet up off the ground to fly away. With this new life I did, takes away my every fear, don't go away. You just don't know what you did to me, but I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Since you gave me love and shelter from the rain, you just don't know how you make me feel. Your sweet love, girl, it's so unreal. I've got love desire, since you love it. My soul's on fire. Putting up on the cloud. Shout out loud. You're the one for me. With your love by my side, the world will be mine. You're the one for me. I'm riding on the cloud to shout it out loud. You're my own. Baby, hold on tight for the rest of my life. Don't let me fall. You just don't know what you did to me, but I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Since you gave me love and shelter from the rain.
Man, I don't know if they're, but I really, really enjoyed that one.
I know, look, clearly Lemo has won the hearts of Marianne, Haley, Mr. Haley Tao, Falasemo. Thank you so much for commenting. I see that you really love 2-minute noodles, but Haley's comment that's come through is he is the noodle king, so he votes for the noodles. He goes, I take it back. My vote is for the noodles.
Oh my God, we've got Daisy saying, Lemo, take the crown and go, please. Rosary is saying, thank you for exposing my dirty floors.
Look, we've had an awesome time checking out all of the entries. For those of our viewers who want to vote for your favorite entry, you already know where to go. You need to go over to Blue TV. But Claudia, I'll let you give everyone the lowdown and where they can find all of the entries later on.
Yes, so after this show, I'm going to be posting all the entries onto the Blue TV Facebook page. Now you have to get your friends, get your mom, your dad, your uncle, everyone in your lockdown bubble to like your favorite video. Now the person that gets the most likes, they will be announced the winner on tomorrow's show at 1 p.m. And they will take the crown and possibly a prize as well as the Bluwave team cook-off official champion. Is it going to be a king or is it going to be a queen? I'm not sure.
Like I said, my water is still, ole vai, ole alofa, it's still simmering away here. I will be back tomorrow at 1 p.m. and hopefully my water is cooking well. We're going to go into a quick break.
I just want to, before we go into a quick break, I'm laughing at this. I'm so sorry. Our big boss Martin has said, Lemo, I love you, but it's a no from me.
Look, if you are wondering where we're going to take you today, after all of those delicious dishes from the Pacific, we are going to head over to Hawaii, because while you're on lockdown, Hawaii isn't. And let's go and enjoy the beautiful sand, the beautiful beach, and the beautiful Hawaii. Right after this, we've got Palagi Boi on the show to take us for a little tiki tour.
Tau tua ma le au nanga le maut tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak orang sah? Awalnya telepon, matu tu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua, tapi lah ucapan le Pea out. Mua, tapi lah telefon ni time out tu ina lah ucapan. Mana baik ngamul, mana tua fo. E matua i whasaina, lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga whapeni. Hota Samoa, ole mota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au na pea mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
BluTable voucher is one of the most convenient ways that I'm finding now to do my shopping here at Farmer Joe, and my sister just sent through the voucher on my cell phone, and I just come straight here to Farmer Joe to do my shopping.
O le si tūranga pitusili o le tāua. O le lafo me o le pepa tala o loa. O na whaanga le whaatau i o loa e au ngā mo le ainga.
I think it's really convenient for families overseas if they don't know how to help their families here. Then this is the perfect way.
Mai ai le sa sunga fua tau e le sia sa.
Le fia foi sa we mo mawina le foi au ngā fo e ala mai le talo for voucher. Ila wana whaatau ma me te mga oi ile voucher.
Tai mo le talo pa voucher ua maua le apasusi o se wa fine. So se paro loa fai ngo fie a me se le tfelua i ma le telefoni tai mi uma. Ai lo la fo me le cash o na ino le tama o le ainga.
Fa te tu lava le talo for voucher mo le foi au ngā fo pa tai. Ma lo la le tsam pai.
Pa tai talo pa voucher. Teki talo pa voucher.
Aloha, everyone. Talofa lava not here. How are you, brother? Jeremy.
Hey, aloha, talofa, bolivinaka, e malo lele. And kia ora.
How are you doing? You're taking us for a show, right?
Yeah, I'm going to take you guys on a walk today. Hey.
I can't believe that we're like tuning into Hawaii right now. It's
Yo,
like insane.
Here's the Hawaiian kids just walking around, playing in the road.
That looks so cool. Now, Jeremy was taking us on a little tour before, and I gotta say that everyone, and when I say everyone, I mean literally everyone that you've walked past, you said hi to and knew.
Look, okay, so me, I can't stop by somebody without saying hi to them. That's just how I am. And if I don't know you, I'm gonna get to know you.
Now, he did say that the most beautiful female in New Zealand is Pea. So for myself and every other female watching this show, I'm sorry, but we're second best.
Look, Jeremy, you broke my friend's heart. Jeremy, look, you do know that we're currently in level 4 lockdown here in New Zealand. How does it feel having a little bit of freedom there in paradise in Hawaii?
Well, right now, as you can see, I'm wearing my shirt, my lava, and my flip-flops. And I'm just walking to the beach right now. I don't even know what a lockdown is. What are you talking about, lockdown? What is that? Over here in Hawaii, we can get like 500 cases a day, 600 cases a day. And we're just living life like normal,
Wow.
We've come to a realization that COVID is here. We just got to live life.
Yeah. Now, mele is a mahalo Palagi Boi.
Mahalo nui loa. That means thank you very much.
But I just wanted to stress the importance of following our rules here in New Zealand. Unfortunately, we do not have the same guidelines as they do over in Hawaii and America. So please, everyone in New Zealand, that was not an indication of you to go and enjoy life. Enjoy life in your bubble, okay?
Yes. Now,
Wash your hands. Wash your hands, guys.
Well, you should be washing your hands regardless. But Jeremy, did you manage to watch our cook-off entries?
Bro, I'm going to be honest with you. I haven't checked it out yet because I have some stuff to do. But I did have the opportunity to hop on the show today.
Now, when you get a chance, make sure that you watch the videos and let us know who your favorite entry is.
Okay, I got you. Anytime. So I'm going to take you guys to the beach right now. I'm going to show you.
That will be great. Jeremy, while you take us to the beach, tell us how much you miss New Zealand, because you've recently moved over to Hawaii for your studies there in Hawaii. But tell us a little bit about why you miss New Zealand so much and the difference.
Man, well, I miss New Zealand because, never in a place in my life was I able to, become such a part of a great community in such a small amount of time. New Zealand is the most beautiful place. Hawaii is very beautiful, but there's a different spirit in New Zealand that I truly miss.
Yeah.
And I miss, obviously I miss the people. I miss our beautiful team over there. I miss all of you guys. But the thing I miss truly about New Zealand is just that beautiful culture of so much diversity at the same time,
Yeah. Now, in terms of food, because I know that in terms of food, what is what food do you miss the most from New Zealand?
Food?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I miss my meat pies, eh?
Yeah.
Go to my dairy every day. $4 meat pies. Go get my up and go drink.
What about the fish and chips?
That's all right.
Yeah.
I mean, fish and chips is all right, but my meat pies is my favorite. All right. So we're going to walk to the beach right now. Sorry, I was just crossing the road. I didn't want anybody to crush the car.
Now, how far away do you live from the beach?
2 minutes.
Damn. Imagine being in lockdown there. You could just walk to the beach in 2 minutes.
Over here. See my bubble over here? Hey, aloha. How are you? Let's go to the beach. Oh, you got food for me?
I'm telling you, everyone knows him.
I got free food, mate. So, I just got a free meal.
What did you get?
It's a fish with rice. Yeah. I believe
it's the cook-off we had on Bluwave, though.
Bro, Pea, I'm sorry. I don't think we could ever match your skills, but I gotta accept the hospitality of the lovely Hawaiians over here.
Oh, of course.
All right, guys. So now we're walking to the beach. Let's take a stroll over to the beach. So how's everybody doing during lockdown? What are you up to?
Look, Jeremy, we are following the government and their rules that have been placed. We are staying indoors and we are staying in our bubbles. However, we are allowed to spread our legs outside, according to Chris Hawkins. So that's
Don't
what
spread the virus, spread your legs. Oh, wow, look at that.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha, then the beautiful Hawaii. Look at that.
How about you?
What will it take to get you to jump into the water?
You want me to jump in the water?
Do it.
I'll jump in, but the thing is, are you going to see me get into the water is the question.
Well, can you put your phone down up against a rock or something and then run into the water?
All right. But
oh my God, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
He's gonna do it.
I don't want to get in my phone, hey.
True.
Okay. Jeremy, look, everyone knows you as Palagi Boi. The Palagi Boi who speaks a very good Samoan. Can you give a big massive shout out to our viewers today in our Samoan language?
Yeah. So mumana ko si Fafkai Fapiko here. So mo ko Fafinge. Now my moa. Sila bay wa ora ngai hapa ingai. Ya tu ko fia mana di mai lunga. Yeah, say mumana ko si Fafkai Fapiko ya Martin from Bluwave and Claudia and Pea. Yeah, mumana ko si Rof anga ya Obo. Ya fakasi di mo ko ma fa mong ye be fo fanga ma ko fa ngai mo go. And be safe during the lockdown, eh?
Now, Jeremy. Jeremy, I was going to say, part of being a good podcast host is to try and read as most of the comments that we get in the show. Now, the most recent comment that has come through is from Mele, who has said, and I'm just reading the comments, but it says, Jeremy, take your shirt off.
You want me to take off my shirt?
Mele,
okay.
Mele, he's doing this just for you.
You want me to take off my shirt?
He's doing this.
Hey.
Mele, that's just for you. There we go.
And I love that Jeremy follows instructions well, and I hope everyone in New Zealand is following the instructions as well. Did I just say following?
Okay. I'm gonna go jump in the water now, eh?
Yes, go.
Okay.
Run.
See.
Jump. Run into the water. I like that as soon as he took his shirt off, we actually had a few more viewers tune in.
Look, it's so lovely to see and hear from Jeremy. But while he enjoys the water while we're in lockdown, it's just another friendly reminder, please, to all of our viewers that although Jeremy is enjoying the freedom there in Hawaii, we still need to follow the strict guidelines set by our government.
Jeremy, Mela says, thank you. You made her day.
Look, guys, a massive shout out to Georgie and to Nash as well. Georgie, they did run a competition as well for their show. So head over to Georgie's recruitment show and show some love as well.
Jeremy, Martin says aloha as well, and he says that he hopes that a shark bites you in the bum.
Who said that?
Big boss Martin.
Martin. Hey, tell Martin, if the shark comes, I'm going to eat the shark.
Look, Jeremy, we will have to wrap up the show, but please, is there any, did you have any encouraging words for our viewers today?
Yeah, just stay happy, stay positive, and live life to the fullest each and every single day. You know, as you're happy, it's going to make others happy, and let's be happy together.
I think that's what you've done
see you
for
soon.
us.
I'll see you guys soon when I come back to New Zealand. We're gonna keep doing some more videos. But just wish you guys the best. And keep looking for better days, you know? It's lockdown right now, but wait a little bit. We'll go back to normal. All right?
Love it, Jeremy. Really well said. And I got to say thank you so much for joining us today. You've made a lot of people happy on the show, including Georgie, who's asking Pea and myself to exit the call so it can just be you on the show. Sure.
All right. See you guys soon. All right.
There you go.
Keep smiling. Let me see everybody smile. Smile, Claudia.
And thank you to everyone that has tuned in. Now, after the show ends, I will be posting all the videos to the BluTV Facebook page. And you guys got to go like the video that you like the most. The video with the most likes is going to take the crown for the Bluwave cook-off competition, and the winner will be announced on our show tomorrow at 1 p.m. So after the show, head over to the BluTV Facebook page, hit like, get everyone in your bubble to like their favorite entry, and we will see you tomorrow.
Yes, we will see you tomorrow. But once again, if you do have any exciting things that's happening in your bubble, if you are celebrating a birthday, if you want to share a video, send them through to us, to myself, Claudia, or to BluTV. Don't forget, there is a Talofa voucher and a Maoto Samoa draw that happens every Thursday. That's drawn on Asiata's show later on this evening. And if you are wanting the latest update for health, don't forget to head over to our brother Lorenzo's Pacific Health Talanoa that happens every afternoon as well. So please show the blue love and show our 3 Pacific podcasts the same love as well. But that's it from us. We'll keep you updated on our guests for tomorrow. We will be having some teachers as well next week. So stay tuned, everyone. Stay safe and God bless.
Take care. Aloha.
Aloha.
Hey, next time you see me, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a hat, okay?
Squad, baby. Rex, J. Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the layout, oh, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm in and not the bite to get out.